When it comes to new home installations or renovations, energy efficiency should be a top priority for homeowners in Dallas. The city's warm summers and mild winters make temperature control crucial, and one of the most effective ways to improve your home's energy efficiency is by installing energy-efficient doors. Not only do energy-efficient doors help regulate the temperature inside your home, but they can also contribute to lower energy bills, enhanced comfort, and improved home value. In this article, we'll explore why energy-efficient doors are a smart choice for new installations in Dallas and how they can benefit both your wallet and the environment. Improved temperature control and comfort. Dallas is known for its hot summers, with temperatures often reaching the 90s and even into the low 100s. The intense heat can cause your air conditioning system to work overtime, driving up energy costs and making it harder to keep your home comfortable. Energy-efficient doors help mitigate this issue by providing better insulation and sealing gaps where air can escape. These doors are designed with advanced materials such as insulated cores, weatherproof seals, and low emissivity, low-E, glass, which help keep the cool air inside during the summer and prevent heat loss in the winter. Whether you're trying to stay cool during a scorching summer day or maintain warmth on a chilly winter evening, energy-efficient doors help regulate your home's indoor temperature, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. This leads to a more comfortable living environment year-round. Lower energy bills. One of the primary reasons homeowners in Dallas should consider installing energy-efficient doors is the potential for saving on energy bills. Traditional doors, especially older models, can allow air to leak through cracks, seams, and poorly insulated materials. This results in your HVAC system working harder to maintain a consistent indoor temperature, which in turn drives up energy costs. Energy-efficient doors are specifically designed to minimize heat transfer and air leakage, which helps to reduce the amount of energy required to heat or cool your home. By improving your home's insulation, energy-efficient doors reduce the strain on your heating and cooling systems, leading to lower monthly utility bills. Over time, these savings can add up significantly, making the upfront investment in energy-efficient doors well worth it. Increased home value. In today's real estate market, homebuyers are becoming increasingly interested in energy-efficient features. Homes with energy-efficient windows, doors, and appliances are not only more comfortable to live in, but they also offer long-term cost savings. As a result, installing energy-efficient doors in your Dallas home can significantly increase its resale value. When potential buyers see that a home is equipped with high-quality, energy-efficient doors, they are likely to view it as a more attractive investment. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to improve your home's marketability in the future, energy-efficient doors are a feature that will pay off in the long run by making your property more appealing to prospective buyers. Better sound insulation. Energy-efficient doors do more than just keep your home at the right temperature. They also improve your home's sound insulation. This is particularly valuable in Dallas, where homes are often located near busy streets or noisy neighborhoods. The added insulation in energy-efficient doors helps reduce the amount of outside noise that enters your home, creating a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Whether you're trying to block out the sound of traffic, lawnmowers, or neighbors, installing energy-efficient doors can help reduce noise pollution and improve your home's overall comfort. This makes energy-efficient doors a smart investment not just for temperature control, but for enhancing the quality of life in your home. Eco-friendly benefits. In addition to saving money on energy bills, installing energy-efficient doors can also contribute to a greener, more sustainable home. By reducing the amount of energy required to heat and cool your home, energy-efficient doors help decrease your carbon footprint. This is especially important in Dallas, where hot temperatures often lead to high energy consumption during the summer months. Choosing energy-efficient doors is an eco-friendly option that aligns with growing efforts to reduce overall energy demand and protect the environment. Whether you're motivated by sustainability or simply want to make your home more energy efficient, these doors are a step in the right direction toward reducing your environmental impact. Low maintenance and durability. Energy-efficient doors are built to last. Made from durable materials such as fiberglass, steel, or composite, these doors are resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, which can be issues with traditional wooden doors. In addition to their durability, many energy-efficient doors come with a low-maintenance design, requiring only occasional cleaning and maintenance. This long-lasting quality ensures that you won't have to worry about constant repairs or replacements, making energy-efficient doors a smart investment for the future. For homeowners in Dallas, where high humidity and intense sun can take a toll on doors, opting for energy-efficient models provides a long-term solution that will continue to perform well for years to come. Customizable styles and design. Energy-efficient doors are available in a wide variety of styles, materials, and finishes, making it easy to find an option that complements your home's architecture and design. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern look, a more traditional wooden door, or a contemporary glass panel design, you can find an energy-efficient door that suits your aesthetic preferences. The variety of styles available means that you don't have to sacrifice design for functionality. You can have the best of both worlds, beautiful, stylish doors that also provide the practical benefits of energy efficiency. Conclusion. Energy-efficient doors are a smart choice for new installations in Dallas, offering a wide range of benefits that improve comfort, reduce energy bills, increase home value, and contribute to sustainability. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading your current one, investing in energy-efficient doors provides both immediate and long-term advantages. By improving temperature control, sound insulation, and durability, these doors help create a more comfortable, eco-friendly, and cost-effective living space. Choose energy-efficient doors today and enjoy a home that is as functional as it is beautiful.